New at 11, Madera Community Hospital is set to reopen this year, and owners say it will be better than it was before. But before that can happen, they have a lot of positions to fill. CBS 47's Brianna Bias joins us live in studio to explain the impact the hospital has and when it could reopen. Brianna.
Catherine, the Madera Community Hospital is the only hospital in almost a 30-mile radius, but it closed back in 2022, forcing families to travel a really long way for help. But as one CEO takes up the task of reopening it, that could all change. For months, Madera residents have had to commute all the way to Fresno or Merced to see a doctor.
We know there's been patients that didn't survive the trip.
This despite the fact that the Madera Community Hospital sits right off the 99.
Having a stop right here in the middle of those two hospitals is very important to this community, but also important, to the patients that need it.
The hospital closed almost 2 years ago after running out of money, but a new CEO is stepping in to reopen the doors.
We're starting with a basic emergency room, and that requires 8 core services to exist. So we really are going to be back to almost normal right on the day we start.
Eventually, they'll introduce outpatient services too, but that's still a way off. Now, he's hoping to have the hospital open by December 16th, but there's still a lot of work to do and a lot of people to hire before that can happen.
It's time now to start bringing on all levels of staff. We've seen an overwhelming positive response from our community.
They'll hold a job fair Saturday from 10 to 4 and another one on Monday from 10 to 6. And they need a little bit of everything.
This is one of the most honorable things that, I think anybody could do, is a hospital that everybody really kind of chalked off as going away forever. Our company looked at it differently and said there's a real need in this community for a hospital.
He believes the hospital will save lives, so crews are working around the clock to bring health care back to Madera. Now, once again, they'll hold job fairs tomorrow and Monday. And if you'd like to see the very long list of open positions, we have the link through this story on our website, yourcentralvalley.com. In studio, I'm Brianna Bias, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.